You are more than your achievements. Embrace your true value. You may often find yourself caught up in the idea that your worth is determined by what you do or how much you accomplish. This belief makes us feel like we need to constantly strive to prove ourselves, to validate our existence through success, achievements, or external recognition. But here's the truth: you are not your accomplishments. Let's take a moment to reflect on something profound. You are existence itself. The value you hold doesn't come from the things you do or the outcomes you produce. The value is inherent within you, waiting to be recognized. Think about it like this. If your existence were to be compared to something, it might be as vast as the earth itself. Yes, that's right, the entire earth. Now consider this. All the efforts you've made throughout your life, all the accomplishments you've achieved, are but a small house standing within that vastness. It's a tiny fraction compared to the magnitude of your being. This may be a difficult concept to grasp if you've been conditioned to think that doing and producing are the only ways to measure your value. However, the truth is, the value of your existence is immeasurable, and it's been with you since the beginning. It's not something you need to earn, because it's already there, deep within you. We've been taught to look outside ourselves for validation, through achievements, praise, and external recognition. But the greatest treasure lies within you. To unlock this hidden value, all you need to do is turn your attention inward. It's as simple as that. When you stop chasing external validation and start embracing the idea that you are already complete, you will begin to feel a profound shift. Your true worth doesn't depend on how many things you've done or how much you've gained. It depends on the fact that you simply are. You exist, and that alone makes you incredibly valuable. The next time you feel like you need to do more or achieve more to prove yourself, remember that this is only a story you've been telling yourself. You're enough just as you are. The moment you realize this, you'll feel a weight lift off your shoulders, and your life will begin to shift in ways you never imagined. Now, I encourage you to look within. Take a moment to breathe and recognize the enormity of your existence. You are not defined by what you do, but by the very fact that you are. Embrace this truth, and your life will transform. You are more than your accomplishments. You are existence itself, valuable, powerful, and limitless. And once you realize this, nothing will be able to diminish your worth.